let's learn how to just get started planning using index cards. In my shop, Time and Tide Plans, I specialize in helping you make the most out of your time using index cards. In this video, I'm focused on the Just Get Started card deck. It's a download printable that comes with a Canva template to customize your cards. The card deck is based off of the system outlined in Sidetracked Home Executives. The card deck printable gives you the cards and all of the little touches I've added over the 8 years of using the system. When you purchase the printable, you'll receive a PDF download that gives you all the print links. I have them broken down into categories for printing at home and printing professionally. When you print at your local library or print shop, you'll save money by printing in black and white and color separately. So I've already divided those for you. There's also a print from home file to print from in one go. Thanks to awesome feedback, there's a Sunday and Monday start option for those files too. I also have one-off files for cards like recipes, meal plans, and my favorite, the dot grid index card. I have also added a new card for DIY, which is intended for things like DIY cleaning solutions, linen sprays, or facials. Be careful when you print that you adjust the settings for the scale to be 100%. If you would rather customize your cards before getting started, use a Canva template link. I've recently moved all of my cards into a landscape view, which makes customizing them way easier. Canva is a free third-party online design tool. There's a paid-for tier that I have used for years for homeschooling and editing photos and short videos. However, you won't need it in order to customize and print your cards. Once you've clicked the Canva link, you'll want to rename your Canva project. This will give you the ability to duplicate it later, creating a few different templates to work with later if you choose. The most important Canva tip I can give you is that I've grouped each of these cards. That means when you select a card title or image to change, the entire card will highlight. This allows you to easily delete cards you don't want or create your personal curated card pages by copying and pasting or dragging and dropping cards. However, to edit each of the cards, you'll want to select Ungroup first. Click out of the card, then double-click what you would like to edit. You can also use the card or divider templates to start from scratch. So you'll duplicate the page you'd like by clicking the double page plus icon to the right of the page title. Ungroup the card you'd like to edit and change the title, description, frequency, duration, graphics, fonts, or color. To change the graphic, click the elements icon on the left menu. I select from the graphics category. When I search for the icon I usually add the words sketch or doodle to get the right aesthetic. If you're using the free version of Canva, only select the images without the crown to ensure that you can download and print the cards for free. To swap out the color on the graphic or card outline, select the card swatch toward the top left of your screen. Use the color numbers from the style guide on page 1 for a quick guide on daily, weekly, etc. color codes. Or select your own color. To make a change to the color of a particular card category, Canva offers you a really quick change. Once you've made a change to the color that is repeated, you'll see Change All at the bottom of your page. Click that. To download a personalized selection of cards or remove cards you would not like to use, create a blank page by clicking the single page with the plus icon. Copy and paste cards you'd like to include on your new page. Click and drop your cursor over the area you would like to have selected. You can group the card again if you clicked Ungroup, or simply copy and paste the card. To print your customized cards, first download the pages you would like. For example, in this page, I first removed the Monday start cards. Then I changed my weekly rhythm and dinner plan cards. I only want to download page 2 in order to print. First, click Share on the upper right-hand corner, then Download in the drop-down menu. Select PDF Print from the File Type drop-down menu. Then check the flattened PDF box. From Select Pages, uncheck the All Pages box, find the page or pages you would like to download, and check the boxes. Click Done, and then finally click Download. If you have additional Canva questions, please don't hesitate to reach out for support. I'm happy to assist. Finally, the PDF you receive now has resources along with the sheets that are referenced in the card deck. For example, the personal card Artist Date that's in pink and happens weekly is in reference to the book The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. You'll find an affiliate link for that book in the resource page, along with the others that are mentioned in the card deck. The following sheets include a weekly report that's referenced on a weekly card, an inventory sheet referenced in a weekly pantry check card, as well as a seasonal wardrobe card. Budget date notes is referenced in a weekly card, and a family council is referenced in a monthly card, which I include the family council sheets that we use in our family. I truly hope this helps you just get started with your cards. I love shuffling through my card deck when I'm waiting for appointments or at the laundromat. It keeps me off of social media, and there's something really joyful about a 3x5.